How to fix Windows Update error 0x800736B1. This solution involves ensuring that all necessary Windows Update services are active and running, as these services are crucial for downloading and installing updates. And select Automatic under the Startup type from the drop-down menu. Click Start, Apply, and OK. Repeat this process for Windows Update and cryptographic services. If that didn't work, open Notepad. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. Now right-click on that file and click on Run as Administration. Type Y and press Enter. Now restart your computer and try again, and your problem should be fixed. If that didn't work, the media creation tool can be used to perform an in-place upgrade or reinstall Windows while keeping files and applications intact. This method can resolve deeper issues causing the update error.